Welcome to the first episode of the beginner-level Blender tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the viewport and move objects. You can see which keys I'm pressing on the indicator in the corner. To rotate the camera, simply press and hold the mouse wheel and move it around. To zoom in and out, simply scroll the mouse wheel. To move the camera, hold down the Shift key, press the mouse wheel, and drag. Now, let's delete the default cube and add a new object. To delete an object, simply press the X key. To add a new object, press Shift-A and select the object you want to add from the menu. If you're using a laptop without a mouse, you can rotate the camera by holding down the gray area near the directional arrows in the top right corner of the viewport. To zoom in and out, you can click on the magnifying glass icon. To move the camera, you can click on the hand icon. To move an object, select the object and press the G key to grab and move it. If you want to cancel the action you just made, simply right-click. To rotate an object, press the R key. To scale an object, simply press the S key. To lock the movement of an object to a specific axis while moving it, press X, Y, or Z. For the X-axis, press the X key. For the Y-axis, press the Y key. For the Z-axis, press the Z key. The same keys apply for rotating and scaling operations as well. To lock the camera to certain directions in the viewport, simply click on the angle indicators at the top right. We've reached the end of this video. In the next video, there will be a tutorial on basic object editing. Thank you for watching.